All right, mate. I'll look at VET here very quickly because it does look good. Can it go to $1? I'm not too sure about $1. That's a long way away. I mean, it's a 7x or whatever that is. I think it can test these highs and go past these highs. I think it's going to new highs. You know, maybe I can get to 50 cents is probably a better target in my opinion. Calling for $1 is pretty tough because that, you know, it's a long way away. I do think that this is a great buying opportunity for buying and holding on VET. I like the pattern, I like the structure, I like the moving averages, I like the volume. The RSI is just starting to improve. You know, we're coming up to this trend line. We start breaking above this, and this can start really, you know, start going bullish. So overall, I'm a big fan of VET here for a buy and hold. Now, can you get it slightly cheaper? Possibly. There's been a bit of a bearish 3-day stop hunt here. You know, this kind of a failed move. You know, maybe you might drop back down a little bit before making moves or whatever. But I would think that buying here, and if it did drop, you know, you can add into a dip and you have accumulated on a decent area, and I think eventually it will run. So overall it's looking very good. And the 2 week looks very good as well. Nothing wrong with this at all, and it looks like it's about to start making moves. So I'm not sure about $1, but I think it looks good. Anyway, welcome to the group.